Students, it's Word Watch of 3 class. We are reading unit number 4. We are reading unit number 4, uh, Rubbish and Recycling. Today we are going to read what is litter and what is rubbish problems does litter can cause. Uh, what is litter? Everything we drop on the land that we are not using, extra things we are drop on land, we are throwing on the land and in the river, in the water, that is all things are litter. Litter is anything that is left laying in open places such as parks, streets or beaches. It could be drink can or bottle or chocolate wrapper, some food or paper, everything we throw on the land or in water, that is litter. Next, what is rubbish? Rubbish is anything we no longer need or want, such as old toy or a broken TV or an old computer. Rubbish is anything we no need. Like that, we have purchased a new mobile phone, and I have also the old mobile phone that we haven't used in the current scenario. Then that old mobile is rubbish for us. Okay, and like a broken TV, we have purchased a new LCD or no TV, and we have also a broken TV at home, and a broken thing, anything at home, that is called rubbish. What problems does litter cause? If litter is not picked up, it can cause many problems. It can cause many problems. One thing, litter is producing by men, producing by people, and it's also harmful for people and animals. If it makes our street, parks and beaches look messy, okay, it look messy. It can kill animals that eat it or get tangled up in it. Animal eat, like wrappers tangled in a tangled, and animal can die. Water animals, it pollutes water and can make us ill. Water is our basic need. We have learned about that water is our basic need. We are using water a whole day, and if water is polluted, then we are using polluted water whole day. For its causes of skin problem, its causes of eye problem, its causes a lungs problem, and stomach problem. A lot of diseases is occurred due to polluted water. It attracts rats, flies, cockroaches, and mosquitoes that can cause litter. It's cause of many other animals and these insects. These insects and animals are cause of producing different produces different kinds of diseases. Okay. Here's a fact. Every year, 45,000 tons of plastic is dumped in the world's ocean, is dropped in the world's ocean. 45,000 tons of plastic. It's a huge amount of plastic that's dumped in the world's ocean, and it's harmful. Why harmful? For oceans animals like fishes, starfish, dolphin, and other fishes and small fishes. It's harmful for the fishes. Fishes tangle up, and they can kill. Fishes can kill due to this plastic. This plastic kills thousands of sea birds and animals. Okay, like this, we are using water from river and canals, and what these litter and rubbish litter is causing to polluted our water. To pollute our water, these water and our land, to pollute our land, to pollute our water, and this is harmful for human life. It's our basic need to throw our rubbish in our basket, to throw our litter in baskets, because some people are too lazy to walk to the basket and they throw the rubbish in the classroom. It's your basic duty, it's your basic Duty to throw your rubbish at your home, at your classroom in the basket. Okay, student, clean your environment because clean environment is very beneficial for human life, for our environment. Clean environment is best for us. You can adopt this habit to clean the environment and stop littering. Allah Hafiz, it's a lesson. You can follow this lesson in your own life and change your bad habits into good habits. Allah Hafiz, students.